In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Google Chrome Inspect Element tool. To begin, open Google Chrome on your computer. Make sure you are using Chrome itself, because the layout and wording may be slightly different in other browsers. Once Chrome is open, go to any web page where you want to inspect something. Now move your mouse over the specific item you want to inspect. For example, you can place your cursor over a line of text if you want to see how that text is built on the page. You can place it over an image if you want to identify the part of the page that controls that image. You can also place it over a button if you want to view the element connected to that button. Try to position your cursor directly on the item you care about, because Chrome will use that location to decide which element to focus on. It usually contains several options depending on what you clicked. For this tutorial, the option you need is called Inspect. Click Inspect from that menu. After you click it, Chrome will open the Inspect Element tool, also known as Chrome DevTools. You will usually see a panel open on the side or bottom of the browser window. The selected element should be highlighted in the DevTools panel, making it easier to connect what you clicked on the page with the code that represents it. And that is all there is to it. You have learned how to open Google Chrome. Right-click on text, an image, or a button, and use Inspect to open the Inspect Element tool.